Holy shit. This looks like it's about to be insane. I am not ashamed to admit we are having girl dinner again. A star of the show, obviously out of my giant fishwife tin, the smoked salmon with Sichuan chili crisps. Looks so like glazed and buttery. We're gonna try it. Oh my god, it's literally just like falling apart. Holy shit, do you guys see that? Wow. I just got jolted with a ton of flavor. It's like sweet, but spicy and buttery. Oh my god, it's just so good. Potato chip, tomato with drizzled olive oil, sea salt, pepper, and everything but the bagel seasoning. Sliced red onions, same way. 1 caperberry, sauerkraut, kimchi, pickled vegetables, potato chips, and half a toasted sourdough with cream cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning. Starting off our usual tin fish way, so we have a potato chip, sauerkraut, salmon, chili onion crunch seasoning. Cheers. Insanely good. A little bit on the sourdough with cream cheese, onion, tomato. Look at that bite. I don't know what's better, this or the smoked trout chimichurri. My only complaint, the can is way too small. Kimchi, pickled cauliflower, the skin, so good. Caperberry. This is a pickled lemon. You can eat the skin on this and everything. Big ass chip. Lemon. Last chip. That was insanely delicious. I literally would lick this bitch clean if I could. 10 out of 10.